Welcome to All Star Medical. I'm Adam, your host, and every week we have different medical videos, mystery diagnosis, and popping for your viewing pleasure. First off, we're going to see at a clogged pore being popped inside an individual's ear. Next, we have a mystery diagnosis. Can you identify what this is? We'll have the answer by the end of the video. And this is Melody. She lost 40 pounds in 4 months. And go ahead and click like for her weight loss. She looks great. This 7-year-old has a coloboma of the eyelid. It's a congenital defect, and doctors improve it with this stitching technique. Speaking of eyes, can you identify what's wrong with this person's eyes? Well, don't worry, she just has white colored contacts in. They look pretty cool. And do you remember our mystery diagnosis? It turns out it's a gastric sleeve. Gastric sleeves are where they remove about 85% of your stomach to make it harder to eat, and it assists in weight loss. This person was 39 years old, and they had a BMI, body mass index, of 39. Alright folks, if you've watched this far into the video, I would greatly appreciate it if you click that subscribe button. Only about 1 out of every 1,000 views results in a subscriber, and I'd like to increase that. We've got new videos every week. They're a lot of fun. Between Watson and I, we're always trying to entertain you. So maybe be 1 in 1,000 and click that subscribe button now.
Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone Extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.